Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the pairing mode or the setup mode on the Harman Kardon Omni 20 Plus speaker. So to do this, first of all we have to grab this speaker and rotate to the bottom. Of course we have to turn it on by using this cable, and this second end we have to plug to the power supply, and then we can find this reset button. We have to click and hold this button, so this is right now, and take a look for this LED indicator. This circle will turn on for like 5 to 8 seconds, and after that it will disappear. And when it disappears, we have to release that button right now, and take a look. It is blinking. We have to wait. Be patient. You can also reset the Bluetooth settings on your wireless device. In this case I'm using iPhone XR, and just wait until this device pops on available devices list. Okay, as you can see right now we can find it, so just click on Advanced to connect. And there we go. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.